Hey, welcome to the 7th video of the most practical Facebook ads which you'll ever see. And in this video, we are going to talk about landing pages. So let us begin with this video. First of all, what exactly is a landing page? So in simple terms, landing page could be defined as a distraction list page and it is aimed at taking a certain action. So let us understand a difference between a landing page and a website. So in a website, whenever you go, you see that there is a navigation menu, there is a footer, there are a number of links available, you can jump from here to there. There are a lot of distractions when you come to a website. But whenever you go on a landing page, there are absolutely no distractions. There is no navigation menu, there is no footer, so the users are forced to look upon a certain thing. So that is a distraction-less page. And in the second point, it is aimed at taking a certain action. So you have landing pages for different stuff. You have landing pages for selling, so that's called an offer page. You have landing pages for giving your lead magnet, that's called as an opt-in page or a lead magnet page. Again, you have landing pages for pre-selling something, so that's called a pre-selling page. So there are different types of landing pages, and we are going to show you a live demonstration of all this in the further part of this video. But for a moment, let us clarify our definition of landing page. The first, it is a distraction list page, and second, it is aimed at taking a certain action. Now again, what is the importance of landing page? The first point is, of course, it increases the conversion. Now whenever you take your traffic to a landing page, then you have greater chances of conversion than taking them to a website. And this is a mistake which a lot of business owners do. They take the traffic to a website. Again, they lose a lot of people because there is navigation menu, so people navigate from one thing to other and they forget why exactly did they click on that particular ad. In case of landing page, as we know that there are no distractions, so people are forced to see what we are showing them on that particular page. The second point is, of course, it enables us to show our message with a specific intent. Now that intent could be selling, that intent could be making them opting in, that intent could be only just showing them our content. So based upon our use, the landing pages are divided into different types. Now how should we use the landing pages? So as we told you, there are different types of landing pages. So that could be an opt-in page, sales page, pre-sale page. So based upon the kind of results which we want, we make different types of landing pages. Now this is the most important slide. What are the factors which make a high converting landing page? Now that could be a game changer, because as you are buying traffic from Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, from anywhere and taking that traffic to a landing page, if you are having a high converting landing page, then that brings down the cost of marketing. And if you have a landing page that does not convert, then it takes you more money to acquire the customer. Now let us understand this by taking an example. Let's say you spend 500 rupees on ad and 20 people come on your landing page or 50 people come on your landing page. Now if your landing page is good, let's say 20 people convert or they opt in or take whatever action you was required to take of them. And if your landing page is not good, only 10 people convert. Now again, in the first case, when 20 people converted, you sold your goods or services to 5 of them. And in second case, only 10 people were converted, you are able to close only 2 of those deals. So an effective landing page increased your revenue 2 times or 3 times. So that is an importance of a high converting landing page. And there are certain factors which makes a landing page high converting. First of all, it's simple and clear message. Now this applies to all different types of landing pages. Second thing is the attention grabbing headline. Now this is the very important part. Now David Ogilvy, the king of advertising, says whenever you write a headline, you spend 0.8 cents of a dollar. So you have spent most of the money on your headline itself. So if your headline is catchy and it's high converting, then you are going to have a high converting landing page. But if your headline sucks, then it is really very difficult to have a high converting landing page. Then comes the bullet points. Now again, it is important to promise user further things other than the headline. So if you have a high converting or if you have attention grabbing headline, that is also important to have the bullet points to show what exactly will they get. Now let us show you some of the landing pages which we have made for us and which have converted like crazy. So as you can see, this is one of our offer page which we have made for ourselves. Now this is a bit long offer page, which first of all states the headline, which is how to get the unlimited customers and all this stuff. Then it has one of our videos, then it has some of the messages, it has multiple call to actions, what exactly will we do and all this stuff. Now this appointment page has resulted into 90 to 100 appointments until this point. So this is also a good converting offer page. Now let us give you an example of another pre-sale page. So now in this particular page, we are telling users to opt in for one of our presentations. So this is another one of our funnels, and in this page we tell them again how to get customers. We tell them what exactly will they have to do. That's 15-minute pre-presentation, what they will learn and all this stuff. And again we are giving them a call to action button. Now this is a simple opt-in page, and it has also converted really very well. Now comes the lead magnet page. Now this particular lead magnet page has generated thousands of lead. Yes, I'm talking about thousands of lead at a very low cost. And this is again a simple lead magnet page. It has high converting headline, it has call to action, it has again bullet points on what they will get, and again a form and the final call to action. Again, that's a simple lead magnet page, but it has resulted in thousands of leads. So this was some of the demonstrations of some of the landing pages and offer pages which we have made. Now we are going to make a separate series on how to make a landing page from scratch, different types of pages, and we are going to talk all this stuff in a great detail over there. That is pretty much it from this video. We hope that you got a lot of value. See you in the next one.